Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I just wanted to hop on here to show the progress of these large squares that I'm making for a blanket. I'm almost done. I'm working on square number 15 and it has 16. So I'll be done with the squares today or tomorrow. It just depends. I just do it whenever, you know, just whenever. And it's gotten to the point now that I'll pretty much have it memorized. But I got the pattern from the Loopy Stitch. Her pattern is available, and I'll leave the link on, I never can get the name right, Ravelry. Beautiful. And I loved the colors. It just kind of reminds me of a Tuscany color way, and they're large. But I ended up having to order a little bit more yarn because for some reason I was low on, this is I think tomato. Can't hardly tell much of a difference in the colors on the screen here, but so I went ahead and ordered more, like one skein more of each color, because I thought, well, I might make some pillows with it. But again, it is the Loopy Stitch, and she does an amazing job with her tutorial. And then, like I said, the pattern is available. I can't remember how much the pattern was. Not much. And it's awesome. So it will be, it's going to have a zigzag join, if I can do that. If my eyesight will allow me to do that. If not, I'll just do a regular join. But it's going to use the mustard color for that. But I just love these colors. I got every color that she used because I wanted it to look identical. And this is a work of love. I'm just telling you. So I'm working on number 15, almost done with it. Then I'll have one more to do. And I can't say enough nice things about this yarn. I wanted it to be, I wanted to use the same yarn she used. Now she's in Australia, but so I found it on Amazon, and it is Stylecraft Special DK. And I'm currently using, I think it's a 4.5 millimeter hook, because I didn't have an ergonomic hook in a 4.5. So I ordered a furls, and that's what I've been using. I had like a 4.75, but I like the furls. I had never had one of those. Now, as for I'm still waiting on, I had mentioned that a company was sending me products to do an unboxing on, and then any of my viewers will be able to use a discount code that they have generated for me. They've already sent me the links. I've gotten the shipping link. It's coming from China, and it appears to be stuck in transition. And I had another, the t-shirts for my son, where he wants me to do the golf course. I had the same issue with it, stuck in the same place. So I finally ended up getting those. He still hasn't. He wanted to create the design to go on those t-shirts. That's why I haven't done a Cricut iron-on. I may just do one for myself because I have some t-shirts. I just can't decide what I want things to say. I like funny t-shirts, and that's my biggest problem there, is trying to figure out, okay, which one of these things do I want it to say. But the products that are coming are from China. They're crochet items that I chose. And once they arrive, I'll do an unboxing. And then, like I said, they're giving me a discount code for any of my viewers to use if they order from them. So once I start sewing these together, get it sewn together, and the border on, the border is going to be this color as well, I think. I don't know. I love this. It's so pretty, and she created this, and I'm like, how did you come up with such, I don't know, I don't see how people do it. I wish I could do it. I have the idea in my head, I just don't know how to get something onto a pattern. But it looks intimidating, but it's really not. So I'm excited to get this done. I think I'm gonna have to get us another like comforter or bedspread or something to complement, because right now I have gray, because I want to put this on our bed, but I don't know if I trust my husband to not throw his pliers or something on it. I don't know. Anyway, I'll shut up now, but be watching for that video and be for the unboxing of those products, and then also be watching for the t-shirt video. I'm probably just going to go ahead and do one, and just do one for myself. So I will see you all, and I hope you all are having a good week. It's raining and raining and raining here. We have had some wild weather, but you all have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video.